Hi guys, I'm Lawson. I'm the director here for our Red Bull Drift Kart Circus episode. We've got a multi-cam setup with Canon. The challenge is we've only got an hour and a half to shoot with all our drivers, so let's get going.
We've got 3 Canon C50s here. They're going to be rigging cameras all around the track, around the different challenges. 2 14mm, a 7-to-14mm fisheye lens. It's going to get us real cool angles with the 190-degree view, and it's going to go on top of a large combo stand to get all the proximity with the drifting. Also over there, I've got 5 C400s, 2 with the cine zooms, the 11-to-55 and the 15-to-120, and 3 with the 24-to-105 2.8, which have really good autofocus, and also with the C400s, internal NDs, especially in like broad daylight on top of a car park. It's epic.
So we worked with Mad Mike on this because he is the drifting legend. We had Liam, Isack and Will, our rookie driver Fisher, which was a bit of fun. And yeah, the dynamic of all of them was amazing. Whole creative was bringing it to an epic spot like on top of the rooftop of the Crown while the guys are here for the Formula One. Mike and his team has created these amazing drift karts. Yeah, just giving the guys a bit of fun here.
When we're shooting things like this, it's very much doco styled. The zoom lenses and the Canon cine lenses are epic for that sort of stuff because you're constantly changing focal lengths. I personally feel that the Canon lenses are the best around. We've been using them for 10, 12 years. They're really bulletproof and the images are just always beautiful. The sideline cameras, we had the 24-to-105 f2.8 lens, which has auto tracking, makes it so easy for the guys. Basically, the karts come in, they're automatically in focus, and they can hold them in focus all the way through.
My favourite lens today was definitely the Canon 7-to-14mm lens. Sitting above the proximity wall, I think I have to use that every time now when doing any action sport. It was so cool and dynamic.
Personally, I love the C400 with the cine zoom lens because it's really well balanced, and they're just beautiful lenses. Like, they're super sharp and really like easy to use functionality wise. We're doing a lot of crash zoom in it as well, so when you take the gearing off it, it works really well to do big fast crash zooms. The colour science out of the new Canon cameras is epic, and especially when you pair it with the lenses, like the cine lenses, they're so beautiful. So we've got a really fast turnaround for this project, one of the quickest we've ever had. It's Wednesday afternoon, we have to be live by Saturday morning. Our editor came to site, we've taken the footage, we're going straight back to the edit suite now. We basically have to be locked on offline by Friday afternoon to go into online and colour overnight Friday to have it out Saturday. With the codec that we're shooting on, all the cameras are the same, so it means we can ingest them and basically start working straight away without transcoding or anything. And we've set a LUT. Online's a little bit easier too, so the workflow and the process with the data straight out of the Canon cameras is really, really user-friendly.
You can see that they're having a hell of a lot of fun out there. Almost like childlike, which is nice for people to see that side of them when usually it's so much of a serious side on the race course. And yeah, just really stoked on how it's come together.